Hey folks, it's Connie here at Evans & Son RV Sales. We just got a 2018 Sprinter Limited 3531FWDEN in stock. Let's take a look at it. This is an amazing camper. I like to refer to it as the conversation camper. You actually have a bar height table with seating for 6. If you want to play games, cards, have a large meal, you can sit 6 people. Then in the living room, you have 2 sofas and theater reclining seating. So in here, you can sit another 6 people. On a rainy day, this will be the place for the family to hang out. Not only do you have a lot of seating, but the 2 sofas make into trifold beds, so you can sleep 4 in the living room. There's a 55-inch TV, fireplace so you can stay warm on the chilly mornings. Soundbar with DVD player built in, where everybody can pile in the living room and watch that movie at night. They pack all kinds of things into the Sprinters. Look at the really large refrigerator. You have the drawers down here for the freezer. You have your kitchen area with lots of counter space. This is a 1-basin sink with cutting boards. Pull-out sprayer, making it really easy to fill pots and clean dishes. Hopefully you're using paper plates for that. There's a lot of LED lighting throughout, even a skylight on the ceiling for natural light to come in on those rainy days. And then you've got the upstairs still. Upstairs here, we have the bathroom. You have a residential style shower with seats so you can sit down or shave those legs. Medicine cabinet. Actual space around the sink, you know, where you can put your hairbrush, your toothbrush, or your shaving kit. And then they give you linen storage. Now this is awesome. A lot of campers don't give you enough linen storage, but you have this all the way down the side of the shower there. Let's go check out the bedroom. Sprinter Limiteds now all come with a king-size bed. So enough space for you, your spouse, and maybe your dogs too. You've got the closet all the way across the front there with hanging space. Here in these cabinets, you do have washer and dryer prep, so you can remove these cabinets and install a washer and dryer if you wish. Turn around here, there's actually a place to hang a TV. Now this camper, we did not put the TV in it when we ordered it, but we can hang one there for you if you want. Has a second air conditioner as well. So you have 2 ACs. In the heat of the summer, nobody's going to be feeling all hot and sticky. You'll be able to run the cool air and sleep like a baby. Let's take another quick look around the inside, just to make sure you didn't miss anything. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Packed with so many features to make your life feel luxurious. Just imagine sitting there with your feet up, watching the big game on the TV. Have somebody pass you the dip from the table right behind you. We'll go outside and take a look at the outside here in just a minute. Do want to show you the handy little remote. This remote here will run all your features, your outside LED lights, your auto leveling system, the electric awning, and all of the slide outs. There are actually 4 slide outs on this unit. Alright, that's enough of the inside. Let's go out and take a look. Alright guys, let's take a look at the outside here. We've got some storage up front. Nice big deep storage. You can store all your tools, everything you need. We've got solar prep. Now that's really important. If you're going to be dry camping at any time, you can get a Furrion solar panel and hook it right up, and it'll keep the battery charged while you're camping. Around the side here, you have your 2 30-pound propane tanks, so you have 60 pounds of propane with you at all times. And this camper does have the electric leveling system. So you got this panel right here, and all you'll have to do is touch a couple buttons, and in minutes your camper will be level for you. It actually lifts and levels the camper so that you don't have to worry about pulling up on blocks and guessing and pulling it back off and trying again. This is very convenient. You do have your pass-through storage. Goes all the way across the front here. Lots of storage for all your needs. You maybe throw your pop and your water out there for those long trips. You also have a docking station Now the docking station is really nice. Everything's in one spot. You have your black tank flush, outside shower, satellite and cable prep, and also your city or tank fill. So everything's here in one spot, and it's also on the side of the camper where it's easy to get to. Whenever you run your things in, you just move this out of the way, put your hose right through there. Let's step back here and take a little bit of a look at the outside. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that. If you want something that you can live in, this camper is going to be amazing. It's got a rating on it from 0 to 100 degrees. It's actually been tested in an outside facility, and what they do is they drop the temperature, raise the temperature, and they check all the temperatures inside. So from 0 to 100 degrees, this camper stays room temperature throughout when you're running the air conditioning and the heat. Now on the back here, you do have a backup camera prep. It doesn't have one already on it, but you can add a Furrion backup camera if you like to have that. Make it a lot nicer when you're pulling into your site. You also have your rear ladder, so you can get up there, check and service your roof. Take a look here. You've got your tires. There's another one of those electric jacks that level the camper. You also have the most amazing more ride steps. These are so much more solid than the ones that just fold down. These actually fold into the door while you're traveling, and when you put them down, they can be adjusted. You'll see the adjustment there at the bottom. Very solid, makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the coach. Here's another look at the pass-through storage. Now on the pass-through storage here, you do have TV prep. There is a prep right up underneath. You can bring a TV out and put it out under the awning. Speaking of the awning, this is a nice long awning. You do have the speakers in the outside of the awning and the LED lights underneath. Now your Keystone products that were made after September 1st of 2017 do have the sticker here showing you that you have a 3-year structural limited warranty. So that is an extra warranty on top of the 1-year hitch to bumper and the 2 years on your major appliances.